What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. We have here the Benchmade Shootout OTF, new for 2022. Carbon fiber elite, super lightweight handles. I mean, this thing weighs nothing. Great action, PVD, flat earth finished blade. And it's got a Cruwear, CPM-Cruwear steel. Great action, super easy to play with. Carbide glass breaker. Can't get over how light this is. Man, this is the lightest OTF you will handle. I don't know what the weight is on it, but it's not much. Anyway guys, this is the Shootout from Benchmade. 3.5-inch blade. EKNIVES.com. 423-525-9477.